All right, what's going on, everybody? So today we are reviewing the '79 bike Falcon GT. I've only owned this thing for about 48 hours or so and put like only 20 miles on it, but I just want to do like a quick review, just what I find the pros and cons to be for this thing. All right, so the first con that I found, it just kind of has like a stink bug stance to it. But I think what I could do is get a smaller back wheel eventually and do a little adjustments. So it'd be nice to get a little more like sag in the back and the front to lift up. Another con that I'd found was the stock foot pegs. They look to be pretty decent, but as you could see, they are pretty slick, not very grippy. So that's another thing that I'll be upgrading. Another con, not really a con, but it just is going to take some getting used to and learning experience to figure out how to set up these forks. Because right now they're pretty soft and the rebound isn't very good. So that's the suspension's really good. It's just going to take some adjusting to get it right where I want it. Another con, just from coming from like gas dirt bikes, I'm still getting used to just the battery life, and it's definitely a learning experience trying to. I think as you go on, you learn to save the battery and when to put it in sport mode, when to put it in drive. But so far, I've just been like loving the power, so I've just been cranking the throttle, and that's definitely not the way to conserve battery. So that's going to be a little learning curve, but this battery is actually pretty substantial. So overall, cons aren't really too bad. All right, and now for the pros. The first pro is definitely the screen. The screen's awesome. As you could see, it's got a bunch of colors. Everything's really like easy to see, especially while you're riding. You got everything there. Yeah, it just tells you everything you need to know, and it looks awesome. All right, another pro with this Falcon GT is the lights. It's got super nice little tail light. It's got an awesome front light, and it even has blinkers on this bad boy. So another pro, and probably the best pro out of this bike, is going to be how fast it is. This thing, even in drive mode, is crazy fast. It's got insane torque. Like I said, I don't have a lot of experience on these electric bikes, and boy, is it a good time. But yeah, it's super fast. Battery's pretty substantial. Overall, it's a great package for the price. All right, the last pro, which is like a little Easter egg kind of surprise, is this thing has reverse, which I know that a lot of the electric bikes have reverse, but coming from the dirt bike world, it's pretty wild. And look how fast it goes in reverse. Woo! But yeah, overall, this thing's freaking sweet.
Freaking sweet.
Like I said, I've had this thing for 2 days now, and I am having an absolute blast, and I love it. So I'll continue to keep testing this thing and let you guys know what I think. But as of right now, this thing's amazing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.